So today we have an iPhone 11 Pro Max with a Face ID issue. Um, so if you have this message, Face ID has been disabled or a problem has been detected with Face ID, go to settings. So when you go to settings, you will see this message. Face ID issue, there's an issue with your phone ability to use Face ID. So what happened is broken or something, or the chip is broken. So there's an easy way to fix this now before you had to to desolder the shield here behind the camera, and then you take out the chip and reprogram it, and then line it up again, which is very hard. So, to fix this issue, today we have the Clone Z, made by Quang Li, I believe. So with this device, you can reprogram the Face ID into this flex cable here. This is a flex cable that you can buy separately for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Basically, once you program it, and you can connect it to this right here, and what this does is bypass the broken Face ID chip right here. So it will use the chip on here. There's a tiny chip right here. If you can see that, it's pretty small. So there's a tiny chip right here. Now is responsible for the iPhone 12 Pro Max Face ID instead of the chip in here. So basically, this is a replacement. Before that, you had to remove the shield, carefully, reprogram, remove the chip in here, and then reprogram it. Had to put it back there, the soldered glue, which is a very complicated process, and it's good. So this is the easy way. So basically, this device here you can purchase it anywhere. It's pretty cheap. It's only about 35 bucks. So the way is you connect this cable into the computer and run the software with it, and then this is the power cable. So if you connect the Face ID here, 11 Pro Max is the same. So if you connect right here, so it reads 11 Pro. And now let's go to the computer that we hook up to, and we open. Let me see. So this is a program that you need to download from. So you open this up. Once you install, you can open up. You need to register there as well. So just log in. And so it should be okay. So you can now read the chip. So let's run a test on. So as you can see, there's an issue with the flex cable and there's abnormal. So the chip's something wrong with the chip. So that's why, but the data is still there, but just the chip. Maybe this wire may be broken. One of these wires may be broken or something like that. So, but the chip's all right. So let's try to, we did test already. Now let's try to read it. So we were able to read the information on the chip, and then we can save that. So I did save already, so I don't need to save anymore. So we can exit it. So once you save the file, Now you can connect this flex cable over here, and then and write it to the write the new information, write the information to this new flex cable. Oops, oops. It's kind of hard. It's pretty tiny. Okay. So now we can write it to the. I rewrote it. So we can write it to the new flex cable that we put on. Let me see. So, so we just plug in the replacement chip flex cable. So all we do is write it up. With this is before you do this is you need to hook up your phone to the computer, the one that you were trying to fix the Face ID, and then give it trust information to the computer. Let trust click trust the computer and to the computer, trust the phone to the computer, and this cloud backup and cloud burn should be loading up. You don't actually need cloud burn backup. Maybe you do, but I'm not sure. But it should load up, and then you do a cloud backup. And then later, once you do cloud backup, you can do a cloud burn to the new flex chip here. So basically, you do cloud burn and burn it. You don't need to write or this. When you do write or read, write, you can use the local file that you just saved. You can write it into the new flex cable. Once you do all that and that are done, and then so you take out this flex cable here because you burn it already. So and then you can connect. Then you can connect it to the original cable. This is how it goes. So you don't use the chip on here anymore. So it bypasses this chip. So there's no need for that anymore. So now and then that's all you do, and you just hook it up to the computer. I mean, hook up back to the phone. Right here. Let's put it back to the phone, and the message should go away. And you should be able to. You should be able to have your Face ID back. There you go. So let's see. That's not good. It's a little bit tricky because now you have an extension. So the way to hook this up is a little bit tricky. So instead of putting it down here, then now you have to move it out here. And basically you have to play around. It's not that hard, but okay, so that's it. Just fiddle around a little bit, and then it should be in. Okay, so that's it. Now it's like it's laying as this, but that should be all right. So, see, just lay it flat like this, and then hook up this. So if it works, then you shouldn't get that message anymore, and then you should be able to use your Face ID again. Okay, it's powered on. So if you greet it with that message, then it's not working. If you're not, then it means that it's working fine. There you go. Still more message. So I'm looking at it right now at the screen. Let's see. Oh, okay. So that message is gone. So let's go to Face ID. It means that it's working. Let's go to Face ID to make sure that message is gone. Let's see, where is that? Okay, let me put it. So the Face ID is gone. It's working now. As you can see, there's no Face ID. So, and also the way you can tell is all these buttons, they're not gray out anymore. They're all green. So, and then, so that's it. Let me see, try to reset it. Now you're gonna know, now you can set Face ID. So it's not gray out, it's working now, and you can just start Face ID. Everything works fine, and always you can, another way you can tell is your front camera is working now. That's another way of telling your Face ID is working. So if your front camera is not working, then your Face ID is probably not working as well. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching the video. This is how you fix the new way to fix the Face ID issue if you have a true depth camera issue error. And this is a new machine that you use to fix it. It's called a Clone DZ03. It's made by Quan Lee. You need to buy this machine is about $35, $40 around there. But you need to buy individuals flex cable for each device. So if you have an iPhone Pro 14, then you need to buy that tiny flex cable as well. It comes with a chip in there, and then you can reprogram it with the original cable, and it should work as well. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching the video. See you guys on the next video. Bye for now.